Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by grabbing the exact YouTube URL you want to share. Open the video or channel, tap Share, then copy link so the link is in your clipboard. Once done, open TikTok and go straight to your profile, then tap Edit Profile. You do this now because accuracy matters. A wrong link or extra characters will break the connection. Make sure the URL is the full https://form so TikTok accepts it when you paste in the next step. You should paste the YouTube URL into TikTok's website field if your account shows it. This creates a clickable link. Tap Website, paste the link, then save. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the URL. If the website field is missing, paste the link into your bio text, but realize TikTok may not make it clickable. You can shorten it with a link service for one-click access. Once saved, view your profile to confirm the link appears and opens correctly. You finish by testing the link from your TikTok profile to confirm it goes to the intended YouTube video or channel. If it's not clickable, make sure your account type supports the website field. Sometimes switching to a business or creator account reveals it. If that still fails, try a link in bio service so followers get one-click access. And if links are stubborn, clear app cache, update TikTok and YouTube, then recopy and repaste the URL. This often resolves invisible formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.